Hello everyone, these are the things which you will need to make the vase. First of all, you will need a Amul Cool bottle. You are to remove the cover and clean it. It will look like this. Now we will need thread. I have taken jute fibre and I will cover this bottle with the thread with the help of dendrite. Dendrite is a very sticky gum, so be cautious with it. So let's get started. Watch the video till the end to know how to make a beautiful vase with a glass bottle. It is not so easy as it looks. You have to press the fiber or the thread firmly so that it gets sticked on the bottle. It is really fun. You must try this in home. Hey there! If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification whenever I upload any kind of video. If you like the video, hit the like button. Let's work fast. I will add the thread till its mouth. Now, to make it more beautiful, I am giving a shape to it. Giving a shape with the jute fiber. You will need a lot of gum. I am making a circular shape. You need to press the thread firmly to settle it. I'm using a cloth here for the work. Now to decorate it further, you can add these pearls. You can add it in any shape you desire. I am showing you a type. You can keep it in the center also. Hey, it looks so beautiful, right? You can add the pearls on the neck too. But I'm going to stick some stones on it and give it a beautiful look. Here is the look after adding the stones. I have added red stones, also added a flower on it. So yes, converted Amul Cool Bottle, which was a waste, into a masterpiece of flower vase. This is the last look. I have added a pom-pom lace on the neck, which gives it a better look, decorated it. So this is the complete look. I hope you like it. Thank you. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Swarnali Creations.